Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 16th of April. Looking at yesterday's trading session, we had a little bit of activity. Locally, we saw our employment change number coming at 70.7 thousand new jobs. So that was better than forecasted at 35,000, which was the expected. And unemployment rate also went down to 5.6%. So things are looking good on the Aussie front. The impact on the Australian dollar, not too great at this news, as a lot of it was pretty much factored into the price already, and it was offset later in the session when we got the US retail sales numbers, which were also very strong, coming in at 8.4%, better than the 5.1 forecasted, and the retail sales themselves at 9.8%. So overall, the Aussie US dollar pair did go up a little bit yesterday, around about 45 to 50 odd pips, and the news was offset against each other. All right, time to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I was showing you yesterday did not trigger. It just continued to go down, so we did not get the reversal pattern we were looking for. Not to worry, we move along, and this morning I am looking at the Euro AUD on a daily timescale. Now, if you have a look at this chart, it's actually coming from down. It's forming a pattern. It's not technically one of the patterns that are widely followed, but basically it's one that I like to look at, which does a little bit of this and then continues in this direction. Now, before it does, if it does play out and do the pattern that I've just drawn on my screen, before that, I'm very interested to see if I can get any kind of reversal here, because I note that this support line here has acted as support before on 3 occasions. It's coming down for a 4th time. So if I do get the reversal, I would be inclined to first attempt to trade upwards, and then if I do get that trade, it would be a chart that I keep on my hot list, because I do like this kind of pattern. It's one that I always look at. It's not quite at the steep angle that I'm accustomed to. I would prefer it was a little bit steep. Oops, let me just redraw that again. If it's coming in a little bit steeper and it looked a little bit like this and then shot through as such, this one's coming in a lot flatter. So that's why this morning I am looking at this trade in this direction. All right, so let's see if we get the price action confirmation first before we do anything, and if that's the case, then we will be buyers on the Euro AUD. There you have it. That's the chart of the day this morning for Friday the 16th of April. All right, what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Well, it's a quiet finish to the week, no major news, so that pretty much wraps up for us this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can also follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.